Hi! In this lecture, we will learn about adding tables to our website. Before I begin making tables, I must tell you that tables in pure HTML are very ugly and we need CSS to style them. However, in this lecture, we will only learn the basic structure of the tables and we will not be styling tables. Okay, if you are not familiar with tables, tables are just like the spreadsheets where we can have some data in tabular form. The table is enclosed in the table element, and then we have rows which are denoted by the TR element. Each cell in the row is denoted by the TD element. The header row can have special styling if we use the TH element instead of the TD element. Okay, enough with slides. So on my left, I have this brackets code editor with a simple HTML file with basic structure, and on my right, I have this Chrome window with live preview. In order to make the table, we will use the table element. It will have the T-head element, which we will use for making the header row. Then the T-body element, which will be used for the regular rows. And finally the T-foot element for the footer of the table. We will also add the caption to the table. In this case, we will use the books of Harry Potter. Inside the T-head element, I will write the row by using the TR element. Now we will write the header data, and for that I will be using TH element. Book, another TH, author, and another TH, number of copies. Next, I will go inside the T-body element and add the row by writing TR element. Add a TD for data and write the text book 1. Add another TD and write author J.K. Rowling. Add another TD and write 1 million. These are just arbitrary values. Next, copy this row from here and duplicate it. Change to book 2 and 2 million. Again, copy this row from here and duplicate it. Change to book 3 and 5 million. Now go to the T-foot element and add a row. Add a TH element and write total. Add another TH and write 8 million. This does not come underneath this heading. We will adjust this in a minute. The table does not look like a table at all. Let me just add a bit of styling. So go to the opening tab of table and write border is equal to 1 pixel. Now you can see that it looks like a table. If you use more CSS, we can make it really awesome. But for now, that's all the styling which we will do. Now I need to fix the total number of copies sold. I can add a TD tag here. This will fix this. But I want to show you the span attribute. Let me remove this TD. The span attribute can be used to merge cells across multiple rows. So we will add span as an attribute to this TD. In this case, we want to merge these two cells, so we will give it a value of 2. Now you can see our table looks really nice. You can also use the span attribute to merge the cells across multiple rows. In this way, you can add the tables to your websites. The table may not look as pretty as you would have seen on many websites, but this is how you write the HTML and then you make it pretty by using CSS. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching.